Wanna say that you ain't fucking with why I do not mean kisses blue, but I got the potential to fucking flip when I mention with a pension to come back with a vengeance like Jack the Ripper. Rip it, just giving you a sample of fucking snippet like sisters do. Now when I hit the booth, I think of the days I opened. I was quick, the food used to fly off the handle like a fucking witch's broom. I called it plucking flowers cause I was so quick to pick a tulip. Like it's Petunia, sick medulla, but thanks to Cool J, he created a monster. Spaghetti sauce and mozzarella on a tray full of pasta. You got a couple of motherfucking train killers on ya, and I'm just being as frank as Sinatra when I be saying that I'ma keep this shit gangster as mobsters. But when you got fanatics going so crazy they mob ya, looking like organized crime because you can't get a mafia. And all your motherfucking enemies, they wanna off ya like Hoffa and dump your body in Lake Minnetonka. That's how you know you fucking saw and you came and you conquered.
Benny Bitty beat you stomping and making them bark.
Now women treat me like BDK, the king, and they feed me grapes. Either way, I got more on my plate than an all you can eat buffet. So better pick a BC day, cause your history